everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we are installing 2012 Jeep Cherokee. This system comes with 13.6 high definition screen, and it comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage memory. It also comes with built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. It also comes with the Bluetooth, navigation, Wi-Fi, YouTube, Google Map. So basically, it also supports all the original features like the steering wheel control and the original backup camera too. I'm gonna show you the backup camera here. Perfect. Everything is fully compatible with the original vehicle, and if your car comes with the amplifier, you also support the original amplifier as well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the system and most of the main features that come with the system. First of all, you can see that it comes with a couple icons here. If your car comes with this kind of feature, then it will also be fully compatible. Like the eco, you can also turn it off or turn it on, and yes, basically it's very nice. And this one is the navigation here. You can also use the navigation. This one comes with the offline navigation, so you do not need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the GPS. In order to use the GPS, basically you just need to click on the bottom right corner here, and then new road, and then address. You can also enter the address here, and then it also comes the traffic update as well. Okay, if you connect to the Wi-Fi. And other than that, it also comes with the Wi-Fi feature. So as long as you connect to the Wi-Fi, you will be able to use the most of the application here. For example, you can use the Netflix here. Yep. And you can also use the YouTube here. It's very nice.
I give you gum. It better stay in your mouth. Yes! Promise. Hey, Chase, watch this. I can blow a bubble. Okay, watch.
And other than that, you can also use the radio. It's very nice. Or you can also support the Apple CarPlay here. I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple CarPlay. And other than that, you also support the video. You can also copy the movie, and then you can play that on the system as well.
I am human evolutionary change. Bulletproof. Superhuman.
You can see that the resolution of the screen edge is very nice. Okay, you also support the emergency button here. I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi. Basically, just go to setting here, and then more setting, network, and then you can connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot here. Okay, and then you can also download your own application right here. This is the Google Map right here. Okay, so basically you can use the Google Map by Wi-Fi. Other than that, you can also use this one to control the temperature. Okay, you can see that. You also support the heat seat, cooling seat, and everything on the screen. Okay, you can also use the heating steering wheel control. You can also change this one, the mode of the vehicle. You can also control all the temperature here. Yeah. And then basically it's very nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you how to connect to the wireless Apple CarPlay here. So basically, in order to connect to the Apple CarPlay, you can go to the Bluetooth here. Okay, and then you can bring your cell phone here, and then connect to the Bluetooth here, and then pair, allow. Once it's connected, then you can go to the apps, or maybe just go to ceiling. Then you can just grant the authorization of the Apple CarPlay on the phone. Use CarPlay. It will take a little bit longer, take a while to connect at the first time, but every time for the second time, you will just pop and play. Perfect. This is the Apple CarPlay here. You can see that. It's very nice, and also it supports the split screen feature here. It's right here. You can also listen to the music.
Lost in
everything is fully compatible. It's very nice. You can also use this one as the navigation. Very nice. All right, perfect. And then that's it. If you want to go back to the main menu, then you can just click on the here, this one, and then car, and then you will bring to the original menu. All right. This system can also be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.